Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and as we examine more of the options that will be actually proposed to you when you install or upgrade to the October 2018 update. One is do more with your voice. So you'll have use online speech recognition, don't use online speech recognition. So it has to do with how you will be able to, of course, use Cortana and the different apps that have speech recognition. Of course, one of the things about speech recognition and using Cortana Assistant is that it, of course, sends some of your voice samples to Microsoft because that's how Cortana works. It's pretty much every assistant is like that. When you actually ask a question or ask interaction from a assistant, Google Assistant, the Amazon Alexa, and so on, it actually uses the web all the time. It means that it can't really work on its own. When your PC is not connected, there's no possibility of using the assistant because the assistant is cloud-based. It works on the different levels of the web. So here is where you can actually have Cortana listen or not to what you have to say or do, because you will be able to have speech recognition, basic speech recognition, for example, in Windows, if you want to dictate. That still works if you actually turn it off. What will not work is everything that is cloud-based speech recognition like Cortana. So this is something to think about. It's a kind of a way to have Cortana not work if you want. Of course, it doesn't mean Cortana doesn't work at all. It can still, if you do search in Cortana, search box, stuff like that, that doesn't use speech recognition, you might still have some information sent to Microsoft, but the assistant is not supposed to listen to you anymore, and it's not supposed to send any samples of your voice anymore. So it's up to you. Do you want to use Cortana and cloud-based speech recognition, or do you want to have just, the regular speech recognition, which is based in the PC itself, but you won't have any cloud-related services like Cortana if you say no to this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.